Hey guys, this is Miss Smith. I'm going to be doing word study practice D for this week. All right, remember with practice D, we are looking at our analogies. So we look at the first pair of words we're given, we figure out how they are connected, and then we look at our answer choices and we need to find the set of words that follows that exact same connection. So number one, we have the words local and nearby. Well, I know if something is local, it is located nearby where you're at. So if I look at these choices here, the pair of words that follows that same pattern would be distant and far, because local and nearby are synonyms, and then distant and far are synonyms. Number two, we have chronically and rarely. Well, I know that if something happens chronically, it happens over and over again. If something happens rarely, it doesn't happen hardly at all. So these two are going to be antonyms or opposites. So if I look at my set of answer choices, the only one here that really works for this would be easy and difficult. All right, number three, we have temporary and permanence. Okay, well, if something is temporary, it's not here forever. It's just lasting a short amount of time. However, if something has permanence, it's going to be permanent. It's going to be here forever. So if I look at my choices following that same connection, the one that makes the most sense here is going to be stiff and flexibility. All right, number four, we have chronicle and records. So a chronicle would be like a record, or it's recorded. It's a written account of something, or typed account, or spoken account, some type of account of things that took place. So a chronicle records different events. And then for our answer choices, the one here that makes the most sense is going to be the news informs. Okay, number five, we have allocate and money. Well, we know based on our definitions that allocate means to divide things up, such as money. So you can allocate money. So I'm going to choose you can cook food. Number six, we have dislocate and move. So we know if someone or something is dislocated, they are moving. They're being sent somewhere else. So out of these four choices here, the one that makes the most sense would be if something is connected, it would join together with something else. All right, number seven, we have chronograph and time. Well, we know that a chronograph measures time. So if I look at my choices I've been given, the one here that we need to choose would be ruler and length, because a ruler measures the length of something. All right, chronological and adjective. Well, we know that these go together because chronological is describing something, so its part of speech is adjective. So if I look at these four choices that I've been given, I'm trying to find the word and its part of speech. So the one here that works would be orderly and adverb. All right, number nine, we have location and place. Well, we know that a location and a place are the same thing. So we're looking for synonyms. So if I look at the choices that we have, a beginner and an amateur are going to be synonyms as well. And number 10, we have contemporary and ancient. Well, if something is contemporary, it's current or modern. And something that is ancient is going to be something that is old. It's not going to be current. So these two are antonyms. So if I look at the choices I've been given, contemporary and ancient. The ones that work the best here would be present and past. Now, old and new are also antonyms. However, because these two both show an antonym pair, you want to look more closely at the words you've been given. So because temporary is present and ancient is past, that pair works better than this one where they are in the opposite order. So you want to make sure you choose choice D on that last one.